Okay, till the last video we have seen about logical operators. In this video we are going to see about what conditional statement, and it's called as the if statement in Ruby. It's used to evaluate, okay, if something is equal to something, then uh, what to say, do something. Uh, okay, I'll explain to you practically. If you have a book, yeah, you can just go to page 30 and click on this example. Like, so you should open the browser and you should be getting this program. Just copy this, the entire stuff, or just press Control A, so then and then Control C, so everything gets copied, and you can just create a new file over here, right? So, oh god, oh god, oh god. No, no, no. If dot R, yeah, fine, right, and just paste the code, right? So, what it does, right? So, like, okay, yeah. Anyway, let me just execute this program first, right, okay. If so, it just asks my name. So, like, I just enter it, and it says Karthik is idiot. Oh god. Okay, yeah. And if I run this program, okay, like if I enter Zygo, it says Zygo is genius. Okay, so let's see how it works, right? If you're wondering what Zygo is a futuristic robot, and that'll be designed in the future. That'll make human intelligence quite look like chicken intelligence of today, right? So relatively, so it thinks we are idiot, and it thinks it's a genius. Until the day it itself designs an intelligence that's far more better than Zygo itself, right? Okay, so anyway, let's leave the story and go to reality, right? So over here, like, it just asks what's your name, and we just put okay, like name is equal to get s means okay, it'll get the name, and we are putting something this called shop. Okay, let me just remove this shop and run it, and you will know why I'm putting it. Okay, right? So I'll just write my I just put my name. Okay, okay, I don't want to be called idiot and idiot again, right? Okay, so let me put Zygo, and it says Zygo. Oh, it says Zygo is idiot. How come? Is it as you are? Yeah, now I know. Right, okay. So, I just put Zygo, right? So, after putting Zygo, I had pressed the enter key over here, right? So, along with the enter key, it goes into the name, right? So, it prints Zygo, okay, and enter. So, it comes to the next line, and it just prints as idiot, right? As simple as that, right? In order to remove that enter key or whatever it is, so we will put shop over here, right? Um, I will show it to you in IRB2, right? I'll just put, okay, uh, simple prompt. Okay, so, right, I just put any string, Zygo, and this one is like putting enter in it, like that is new line, right? So you just got it. And if I put like this dot chop, right? So you've got this thing without the new line, right? I think it will also work for spaces, I think, right? I'll just put space over here. Oh, it just removes only, okay, one character. Okay, fine, right. So I've got a new line. Okay, I just put this chop and it gives me without new line, right? So that's what is happening. Like whenever you enter a name, you get the name along with it enter. That is for the getters. And if you do the chop to this getters, like it'll be like getters will return zygo new line. Okay, and when you do this chop, it'll just return zygo, right? And so that will get assigned to name, and over here it's comparing, right? It won't execute this first it will just compare because there's a if statement over here, right? If the name is equal to zygo, it'll just print, okay, the name is genius, right? Otherwise it'll print the name is idiot. Okay, as simple as that, right? So if you remember from previous videos, like, okay, putting this pound key and this curly brackets inside a string. You can put whatever Ruby expression over here, whatever you want, right? So I'm just putting name. That's it. Just embed name in that sentence. So that's it. So I could have even given it like, okay, like um, name plus is genius, and it would still work, right? Let me just go it. Okay, I need to put Zygo for this because it's for this if condition, right? Right. Yeah, it still works, right? So you can either concatenate strings. Okay, this is called a string concatenation. Like you can either concatenate strings, or you can what to say, put it in this way, whichever way you feel comfortable, right? So we have learned logical operators, and we have learned our first condition statement, that is the if statement. Uh, let's expand our knowledge in coming videos. Anyway, thanks for watching.